Hi, I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm. Here at SHEFIT, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today we're going to work with balancing. We'll begin in your supported stance. Feet hip-width distance apart. Engage your thighs. Support in your belly. Lift your shoulders up, back, and down. Breathe. Good. Lift your arms up. Inhale. Airplane pose. Extend your right leg back behind you, arms down along your sides. Just as a way to check, bring your hands to your hips quickly. Even them out. Then there's always the option to leave them here or reach your arms back for a little more of a challenge. Take a breath. Blow all of that out. Good. One more. Place your left hand down. Right arm up, half moon. If your left hand doesn't reach, no worries. Grab a block. You can use a footstool. Use what you have. You're working to expand, get big in every direction here. Light up that lifted leg. Take one more breath in. Bow forward. Halfway lift. Bow. Rise up, reach up. Reset in your supported stance. Feet ground. Legs strong, belly supported. Arms up, inhale. Airplane second side, left leg back. Hips even, belly strong. Look down and in front of you. Breathe in. Blow it all out. Take one more breath. Half moon, right hand down. Left arm up. Breathe in. Now expand. For a little bit more challenge, you can start to take your gaze up. Inhale. Recommit to your lifted leg. Another breath. Empty. Last one. Bow forward. Halfway lift, bow. Rise up, stretch up. Tree, lift your right leg. If you're feeling a little imbalanced today, start with your foot just like this. You can use it as a kickstand. The higher up you take your foot, the more balance you require. Any arm variation that works for you. You can have hands at your heart, you can have arms up strong. Really nice. Inhale, inhale. Big, big, big breath out. One more. Switch sides. Take a breath. Go right for it. Now, if you want a way to really advance your practice, turn up the corners of your mouth. Smile. Sometimes we get so focused and so lost in what we're doing, we forget to take that moment and check back in and just be good with right now. Take one more breath in the pose. Bow forward, release. Halfway lift. Bow. Rise up, reach up. And back to your supported stance. Thanks for joining us. Bring your hands together, just like with every class, in support of each other. Together we say, Namaste. I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this has been a moment of calm.